Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you about keyword research and the 5 most important tools that are my favorite and also authentic. But before going into those tools, there are few things we need to understand. So sometimes in a hurry, we start using these tools directly without actually understanding the keyword research strategies. That's why in this video, I will cover all the essential aspects of keyword research. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So what keyword research and why should you care? So keyword research is a process of finding the exact word or phrases people type into the Google, YouTube or any search engine. For example, if someone wants to lose a weight, what they might search on a Google. So they might search for a best diet for weight loss. So as you can see, when I search for this keyword, a lot of link appears where the term weight loss is being used. And if you look below where you searched, you will also notice many related keywords being suggested. So this is what we call a keyword. It is the term people search for the most and it's what helps your page rank higher in a search result. And it is very important because if you use the right keywords, your content can show up at the top of the most search result. That's mean more people visit your site, watch your videos or read your blogs without you spending on ads. It's like knowing exactly what your audience want before you even start. So now move to the excited part, tools. So there are many tools for finding keywords, but I will suggest you the best 5 tools which I am using. So the first one is a Simr. So now we will search Simr on a Google. So type Simr and the first link is about this. So Simr is a powerful tool. You can do everything: keyword research, track your competitors and even check which keywords they rank for. So Simr offer many things like I said before, but we will do keyword research in this video. So you can just select the keyword research from the features, and if you are not logged in, you can log in with your Google Gmail ID, or maybe you want to create an account, you can do it. So after completing this process, you have seen this dashboard. So this is the dashboard for Simr. You can select the keyword overview from the left side, and you can type your keyword which you want to check the analysis. So when you type in a keyword, this is the first screen you will see. Let me break it down. So this is a keyword difficulty of 72%. That's labeled as hard, which means you will need high quality backlinks and really well optimized content to the compete. So if you want to know about backlinks, so you can comment below. I will guide you on my next video about backlinks, how they work, how to make it, etc. Now the next one is a volume. This is the number of times people search for this keyword every month. For that, in the US, how to rank on a Google gets 480 searches, but globally it around 1.9k searches. So it's get a good searches globally. So what is the intent? So intent tells you what people are looking for when they search, and here the intent is informational, meaning people want to learn, not buy. So this is perfect if you are creating a blog post, YouTube videos or tutorials. Now CPC means the cost per click. If you are running ads, this shows how much advertisers are paying for each click. So for this keyword, the CPC is $5.08, which is considered valuable for advertiser. Now the trend. This graph shows how popular the keyword has been over time. If you see a steady rise, it means the topic is becoming more popular. Now you can see that there's a keyword ideas. So Simr helps you discover related keywords to target and the key variations. Many similar phrases people are searching for. For example, how to rank higher on Google has a volume 1.9k with a KD of 50%, which is easier to target than the original keyword. So also there are the questions, and there's a list. If you want to view more, you can just select it and view more things. So here again all things are showing like keyword difficulties, intent, CPC, etc. You can discover it all, and the keywords which have high search volume and the low keyword difficulty, you can use it. So it's good chance to rank on a Google or any platform you want to do. So it's a fantastic tool for a keyword research. Whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, business or owner, this is the best way to select the keywords. So now move to the next, Most Keyword Explorer. So Most Keyword Explorer is one of the top tools for the keyword research, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Now we will see how it works. Now move to the website. So this is the website for the Moz keywords generator. Moz can do a lot of works for SEO, but I am doing in this video as a keyword research. So go to the free SEO tools and select the keyword explorer. Now here's the option of a keyword. You can write any keyword, like I am adding a keyword of best online platform, and you can select the location area from here, and then find the keyword. So in the free plan you can only allow 3 keywords per day. So just find the that keywords insights. So here you can see that the keyword best online learning platform, it shows that it gets 497 searches per month and has 88% organic CTR, and a difficulty score of 56, which is considered moderate. So if your website is fairly established and you are ready to put in some effort, these keywords can work for you. The high organic CTR means most of the traffic is up for grab, but since it has a moderate difficulty, you need well researched content and maybe some SEO work like backlinks. So it's the best option for searching your keywords insights. Now the next is a keyword surfer, which is a Chrome extension. So you can search on a Google Chrome as a keyword surfer. So the first link, you can click on it. So this is an extension, so you have to install the extension. You can just click on that blue box, so the extension will be installed. So Keyword Surfer is a free and simple tool for keyword research directly on a Google. You don't need a pay subscription or separate platform. It's all integrated on your browser. So when you want to search a keyword like I am doing, so I have searched the keyword best diet plan for the weight loss. So you can see that on the right side there is a inside show like the first one is a search volume in US and the second one is a CTR. And as you can scroll down, you can see the SRP of all the websites like word counts and search volume. So this is the very good and easy tool which will be installed on your browser. You don't need to log in or create an account on a separate website. It's all on your browser. So you can if you search any keyword, it's showing on the right side their search volume and their CTR, etc. So the next tool is Aran Robinson, which is created by the Aran Robinson himself, who is a successful blogger and marketer and who created a free keyword research tool for us, so to find the best keywords for our content. So this is the website. You can enter your keyword which you want to know the insights. So I have searched for the best online platform. You can search it. So you can see that all the keywords showing their volume and their difficulties. So for like that you can search for your keywords, and it's a completely free. So if you are looking for a simple and effective way to manage your keywords, so this is a must try. You can combine the Aran Robinson tool with other tools like most keyword explorers, Simr, to get a more comprehensive view of keyword performance. Now the last tool but not the least is a Google Trend. So Google Trend is a free tool that lets you see how popular a keyword or topic is over time across regions and compared to other topics. It's like looking into the minds of search engine users. So let's type any keyword here and look at the insights. So as you can see that I write my keyword, and you can see that graph from that their peak point and low point. It's mean that when people are searching for this, So if you are a content creator, and this data helps you to write blogs or make videos on trending topics. If you are a business owners, you can target the regions and times when demand is highest. So you can also compare multiple keywords here and select which is more popular. And also it is very easy to use. Whether you are a content creator, marketing, or just curious about what's trending, it's must have a tool in your SEO toolkits. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Also check the description below for the links and other helpful resources. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.